Yo, I just took a banger trade. All right, hold on. So this is this is actually a trade that kind of goes against my rules, but I wanted to give it a try just because finding the time for New York session is kind of tough. So I tried I tried trading the Asian session because New York session has a lot of um, volatility, but Asia session does not. So it's a little bit more tedious, a little bit more candles to go through. But let me tell you, oh my goodness, we're back, baby. All right, hold on. So if you go in settings here, executions, check it out. So we took our trade here, and then we jumped out right here. Our original take profit. What I wanted to do was take profit here. Change that to green so you can see. Original take profit was here, but so once I saw this low got taken, and then I looked at S&P 500. This low here was taken here. This is 8:22 p.m. Nasdaq. 8:22 p.m. candles right here, or 8:21 right here. So I saw that Nasdaq took this low right here. ES already took that low over here and came down and also took this low, but Nasdaq did not. So obviously there is divergence here. So once I saw this candle come down, I want to see if it could punch through here. But then what it did, it came out, closed green. Now this next candle where it opened higher, meaning showing there's bullish movement. So as soon as it came down a little bit, I jumped out, claimed my profits, and I'm stepping away. I'm stepping away. So I wonder if you can see my account summary. No, you can see my orders here was sold, and then we bought on Nasdaq here, filled it. Yeah. Okay. See total P&L right here. Yeah, you can see it, $1,000. So $3,000 more, and we'll pass the 400 challenge account, and then there'll be hopefully, but we'll see. We'll see how this goes. But quick breakdown of this trade here. So I was looking at the higher time frame, 5 minute. And what I wanted to see was SMT and then movement, displacement to the downside, and then retracement again, and then I would re-enter in the retracement. But market did not do that, obviously. as I've kind of noticed, is it does not market doesn't do a lot of moving and retracing when in the Asia and most likely London too, just because there's not a lot of volatility. So all right, let's go over this real quick. So what I wanted to see US 30 take out these highs, basically these highs, this high right here for Nasdaq and the ES. And I wanted it to retrace down. I wanted this to retrace down in these areas. So ES perfectly hit it. I wanted to see divergence, but I did not. Let's go here. US 30 did not touch any of where I wanted it to reverse. Nasdaq didn't touch anything. US 30 did not take those highs. But it looks like it accumulated here, manipulated, and then distributed. So it might be actually fully retracing now, but I think I can go back to Nasdaq here. So the reason I took this trade is because we made a move down. We came back up. Came back down again, and created an order block. For what reason it came down, I have no idea. So to be honest with you, so it came displaced again, retraced back, tapped into this order block, these 3 green candles, created an order block, displaced again, Once I saw this displacement and I saw this low, and this low, I'm like, this is a draw on liquidity. So I was like, we're selling. So I marked this area out, and then I look back here. We have an bullish fair value gap here, and it perfectly lines up with our bearish order block. And if you look at it, look at the 50% mark between the gray shaded areas. That's like literally on top of each other. That's where I should have put my order. I kept telling myself that, but I'm like, oh, there's not enough volatility to actually get up there. So I actually had my order down here, right where that mark candle open is, right there. So, jumped into it, had my stop loss above the order block, and then it just came down, tapped to here. I jumped out. Easy money. Let's go. So there was no actual SMT here. I kept looking for an SMT, giving me a little bit more confirmation to be a little bit more comfortable with this trade. I honestly was a little uncomfortable with it, just because there's not a lot of volatility, and their SMT divergence is a little bit like doesn't show as often unless you go in the higher time frames. And I'm trading on the 1 minute. So yeah, that's the trade I took today. Another reason why I gave this a shot was because I see an ICT take a London trade. There's no SMT divergence. He just took the trade with the flow. And so that's what I kind of did here. And he took the trade on London. And I'm like, maybe I can do that, just because, New York time, finding time to trade New York session is kind of difficult. So I thought maybe I could try Asia session, So I wanted to try Asia session, give it a shot, so that maybe I don't have to take work off to try to trade in the New York session. Obviously, in the New York session, you're gonna make a lot more money just because price really moves. And if you look at it the right way, there's endless potential there. But I mean, with Asia session, yes, trades are possible, as you can see here, but not a lot of volatility. Also, price moves very slowly, so gotta be careful when I'm doing this. But this is first trade I've taken Asia session. I've made money. We'll see what happens next. I'm gonna probably keep trading Asia session. We'll see what happens, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is very exciting for me, but yeah, basically, I'm gonna end the video here. I gotta hit the hay. I gotta get up for work in the morning, but take care. See you soon.